how to make a fake blood. Oh my god, the things you put in on that is like, it's dangerous. And that was the worst idea ever. That looks like a ripped skin. Like this video, subscribe to my channel. Hi guys and welcome to my channel. I'm Karina, new makeup artist, still in a studying process. Halloween is coming and I really want to start making some really scary, creepy makeup, so I'm kinda prepared, and now I want to draw a few scars on my face, but I've never done it before. The last makeup video when I tried to do something creepy, I've tried to use a cotton for it, but actually I had no idea what to do with that and how to make a fake blood. Today I'm gonna try to do kinda similar, but it's gonna be absolutely different technique. So let's start and try it. Try it for the first time, try it together. For a start I would need couple tissues and some water. That's just a clear water and nothing else. We're gonna soak these tissues in the water and apply them to our face.
I hope it's gonna sit well.
When the tissue is applied, next step, in the middle, we're gonna rip this tissue in the parts. Come on.
It's not ripping.
Maybe I should make my brush a bit wet, and that would work better. For the next step we would need some glue. Actually we need the glue like you kinda use in the school, like a stick glue, but I don't have one of them, so I'm gonna use a face glue, what we're using for jams. It actually just looks like that. It's a fixed gel and we're gonna apply it all over on the top. Now we need a little bit of concealer just to cover it all up with concealer, and I'm just gonna use a Maybelline one. This concealer I'm just gonna put some on the hand. I opened too much. And now from hand, with that kind of brush, I'm just gonna start tapping it on the top. So now while this all is drying, we need to make some fake blood. Actually you can buy some fake blood in the shop, which is so much easier, but today I've been in a couple shops and I wanted to buy a fake blood, and I checked the ingredients of that and the warning instruction as well. It basically things you put in that fake blood, it should never be applied on the skin, on the face at oh my god, the things you put in on that is it's dangerous. So I've just decided to make something on myself, and I think this fixed gel looks actually quite good for that. Maybe add some shadows on it and maybe concealer in the shadows, and that would look well. How to make it drippy, that's a thing. Well, I'm gonna think about it in a second. To mix all the stuff for a fake blood, I'm gonna use empty palette. Okay, gonna put some glue in it. Gonna use this one here because it's already red, since I've already tried to make a fake blood in the previous video, if you've seen that. It's actually fake blood, it's not red, it's kinda really dark red color. So we're gonna try to use this one here just now. Well, to make it more runny, I added some water, and that was the worst idea ever. Just look on this. That's ruined. So I need to try it again, and this time I would not add the concealer and see how it's gonna look like, because when the red and the color of concealer mixed up together, it's been pinkish color, which is it doesn't suit us. Well, actually it worked together quite well. Just to apply on the face, it will be fine. So now that all nearly dried, can you see that? I hope you can see it, because it's like a light's coming straight on the face. Okay, and for the next step, gonna take a wee sponge, dip it in the palette and start going around. Well, it's not that bad, but I'm pretty sure we should make another layer of the paper just on top of that and make everything exactly the same, just make the blood this time a bit darker. Right, that worked so well, but instead of brownish color I add a little bit of blue shadows and that color looks so much better. So glue, red shadows and blue shadows. And there is your fake blood is ready. And now a few pieces of this, how you call it, tissue. I'm ripping off, so it looks like a ripped skin. Yeah, there you have a piece in here. Yeah, it fell off, so I'm gonna just stuck it in here. Okay, that's all ready. And we just need to make it dry, and while it's all drying, I'm gonna start making it exactly the same, just over this side here. Basically, that's all you need to know, so I'll see you in the end of the video with a full look. Okay guys, thanks for watching. That's our makeup is ready. Just after I've done it all, I also sprayed a little bit of water all over my face. I mean on the parts where is these pieces here. I hope you like that. That's the first time I've done something like this, and I think it looks really creepy, honestly. And this part here, I think it looks like real actually. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I see you in next tutorials, and I hope they're gonna be so much better. As I told you, I'm just a new one, I'm just starting. If you have any ideas for future videos, just let me know in the comments. Have a nice day, have a nice time.